In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in your PayPal account. Changing the language on your PayPal account can make a big difference, especially if you're more comfortable using PayPal in your own language, or if your account was set up in a language you don't really use. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, your account should be showing PayPal in the language you prefer. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. To get there, type the official PayPal address into your browser and log in with your usual details. Once you're signed in, you should land on your account summary page, sometimes called the dashboard. This is where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to send or request money. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button, located next to the log out option. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage things like your personal details, security, and various preferences. On the settings page, take a moment to scroll and find the section labeled Account Options or something very similar. This is where PayPal groups together general preferences for your account. Within this section, you should see a field for language, along with a drop-down menu. This drop-down is what controls the language your PayPal account is displayed in. Click on that language drop-down. When you do, you'll see a list of available languages that PayPal supports. The list may be quite long, so scroll through until you find the language you want to use. Take your time here to choose the exact version you prefer, for example, a particular regional variant if it appears. Once you've found the language you want, click on it to select it. After you select the language, PayPal will usually save the change automatically or refresh the page. Give it a few seconds and your account interface should reload in the new language. If it doesn't refresh right away, you can manually reload the page or navigate back to your summary to confirm the change. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language